Hello, Facebook Live. Good morning, everybody. Hello, YouTube. Hello, Instagram. Thank you for tuning in. However you're catching us, we appreciate it. And just going to, let's see here, do one thing on the computer. It's Friday morning. It's 8:40. I've been meaning to go on live for the last 2 hours, literally 2 hours, but I've been caught up in the kitchen doing a lot of work. That's because we're doing our community meals today, Project Resilience. I posted that the other day because the town was looking for volunteers to help the village and the town to help get these meals delivered. I believe they've got volunteers all situated. But if you're interested in volunteering, WAWtowncouncil at gmail.com. WAWtown board or town council. I always forget. Oh boy. That's a good question now. Town board or town council. It's WAW town board or WAW town council at gmail.com, and that I believe goes to Paul Tozzolino or somebody else that can help you if you're interested in volunteering to get meals out. So 3 days a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, the county reaches out to restaurants in our area, and people get fed meals. So we're doing ours today. We did Monday and today. I'm not sure what other restaurants are doing it right now, participating, but they go to Pioneer. The meals all get packaged and shipped to Pioneer Firehouse Engine Company, and they get delivered from there. So we are, you'll see probably Jamie walking in the background, but all of our plates are back there on all the tables, right back there and up there, and that's where all of our meals are in the back. So we're doing 100 roast chickens right now. 100 roast chickens with roasted potatoes, a mushroom sauce, garlic broccoli. I've been in the kitchen. The ovens went on today at 6 a.m. I got potatoes roasting right now. All the chickens are done. So that's what we're doing here. I want to go on every day and just talk about free latex gloves. We are giving free latex gloves. Just come in, ask. We'll give you a handful of latex gloves. We were able to secure a bunch more the other day, and I ordered 4 more cases to come in. So if you actually want to buy a box, you can buy a box. They're for sale, but we're giving them out for free. So don't take a chance. Do not go to the gas station and pump gas with your hands. I never have. I've always carried gloves because gas pumps, I think, are probably some of the dirtiest things. It's really a shame that nobody ever really washes their hands, or there should be hand sanitizer at the gas pumps. I'm not a big hand sanitizer freak at all, like in normal life, like besides what's going on right now. I'm not a big hand sanitizer. I'm not the person who over sanitizes everything. So to a certain extent, your body needs to be able to be exposed to things, so you don't live in a bubble and your immune system doesn't build up. So, but out of all the things that I've always thought where there should be hand sanitizers is at the gas pumps. I've always thought that, man. I'm like, people just grab it with their hands all day long. You have no idea. And then you get back in the car, and then you grab your bagel and you go on your way. If you go to Stewart's, you grab something and you eat, and with your hands. I'm like, oh man. So I've always done gloves, the gas pump. So come in, get your free gloves. They're here. It's a community service, free gloves. 165 Canal Street. Obviously, we're Aroma Thyme, Ellenville, New York. But if you're watching this and you don't know who we are, we're in Ellenville. A lot of these videos get a lot of views and people share. So please share this in other groups. Share this in community groups, in moms groups, really especially. A lot of parents with newborns or young kids can really benefit from getting some gloves. So again, the gloves are free of charge. If you want to buy a box, you can. We'll give you a dozen gloves, a handful, no charge at all. Just as a community service. A lot of people are taking advantage of that, so we really appreciate that. I've done lots of videos on building your immune system, proper wearing of gloves, eating properly. Folks, now is the most important time to eat properly. No junk food, no sugar. It destroys your immune system, all right? It destroys your immune system. Sugar is not good for you. That's what weakens your immune system. White flour, fried foods, no donuts right now, no cheese fries, nothing like that. You need to be active, You need to have the good cardio. You need to do really, a lot of these health experts, a lot of these doctors are saying, get some good cardio and build up your lungs, really be outside. Outside is probably one of the safest places instead of being inside and confined, because inside and confined, things circulate. If you notice right now, like I have the back door open. You can see back there, I have the back door open. The front door will be open soon. It's warm enough because I want fresh air coming in, and I have the fans on in the kitchen circulating. I have windows open, so we're pulling in fresh air, So if anything is in here, there's a draft and a breeze or a pull to pull anything out. Just like, well, we've been roasting chicken all morning. So, everything gets pulled out. Terry's saying, please tell them not to throw them in garbage. Yes, please tell them to throw them in the garbage. Please, folks, yes, your gloves, throw them in the garbage. Nobody else wants to deal with your gloves when they pick up a shopping cart at Walmart, at ShopRite. They don't want to see it on the floor. Especially Mother Nature. Mother Nature does not want to deal with your latex gloves you're too lazy to dispose of properly, all right? Please dispose of them properly. It is a shame all the litter that we have to begin with, and we don't need to add more to it. So, in fact, while you have your gloves on, before you take them off is a perfect time to pick up a few pieces of litter before you take them off and throw them in the garbage. Because you have gloves on, you're not going to be touching anything else. So take advantage, if you do have gloves, to pick up some litter around you and make Mother Nature happier and leave it better. So Terry, thank you for reminding. That is a super important point. So I always try to say that, and somebody always jumps in and says that. So that's super important that this consciousness, but just keep bringing that aware. Let's see some other things that are going on here today, this weekend. Tonight is our $9.99 Thai peanut chicken. The chicken has been marinating in local organic tamari, ginger, or organic garlic, and a little bit of evaporated coconut blossom sap. It's a little sweetener that I love. And that then we start roasting those off nice and brown, and that's $9.99 tonight, 647-3000. Folks, we have been busy, and thank you so much, everybody who is supporting us. We really appreciate it. There's a lot, not only a lot of our regulars you're really going out of your way to support us and making sure that we have business coming in. Jamie and I really appreciate it, but a lot of new people, new faces that we've never seen before, that are the first time trying us out, are coming in. So we really, really appreciate that. Now, of course, food doesn't travel well. You get something to go at a restaurant, and you take it home 20 minutes, and it gets cold, and you unpack it, and it's not the same experience as sitting here eating it when it comes right off the grill and right onto your plate. It's a totally different experience. So just don't judge, don't be too critical of any restaurant that you're going to or that you're getting takeout from, because that's a situation. You should take some precautionary steps, like heat your oven up at home. Preheat your oven, have your oven on so you can pop the food in and just reheat it and make it warm again. I do not like a microwave. I've never owned a microwave. Aroma Thyme has never ever owned a microwave here. All right, we do not microwave food. I do not like microwaving food. There are dangers in microwaving food. All right, just like putting your cell phone up to your ear, there are dangers with that. All right, so I've always called a microwave a DNA alternator, because it alters the DNA of the food. It ruptures the DNA of the food. Nobody's really done studies on long-term consumption of ruptured DNA food ingestion throughout it. We do know, however, if you're pregnant, you should not be standing in front of a microwave. And we do know you should not be standing in front of a microwave like this while it's on. We know that because it emits this magnetic frequency, this radiation, whatever it's emitting some energy that you should not be exposed to, especially pregnant women. So if it's doing that to us, it's got to be doing something to the food inside. And if you think about it logically, like here's something that's cold, and then all of a sudden in 10 seconds, it's like super hot. There's got to be something funky going on to be able to produce that much heat and that much conductivity like that. All right, it's not the old fire method. It's not the natural method like that. So, hey Tom, how's it going?
How are you?
Good. Give me a couple minutes. I'm just doing a Facebook Live.
Okay.
Jamie's in the back. She's starting to plate up chicken. We got broccoli that we just cooked off with some garlic. Okay. So I'll be back in a couple minutes. Got somebody coming in to help us. Got a couple people helping us today, which is fantastic. Let's see, where was I at? Microwaves. Not a good thing to use. I'm trying not to use a microwave. Try not to. Even folks, I was talking the other day. Even electronics, like you know that the TVs emit something. When the TV is plugged in, it's connected. When you're not using the TV, unplug the TV. Don't have the TV plugged in. Unplug it. Have it disconnected. That's it. If you're concerned about all this, every little piece adds up. And I've been telling people for years: do not stick your phone to your ear. Do not keep your phone in your pocket all day long. Do not let your phone touch skin. Skin on phone contact is not good. If you read the manufacturers in your iPhone and all your smartphones and all the phones, if you read the fine print in there, it will tell you. And in some cases, you're not allowed to sue for health damages because this is all taken care of. You're not allowed to. There was a case in Italy, I believe, last year where somebody did win a case because of cell phone damage, cancer, something like that. So folks, if you have cancer, if you're struggling with cancer, your phone should not be near you at all. It should be a foot away from you. Put on the speakerphone. Do not put in earphones like that that are wireless transmissible. It's just bringing that signal in, okay? Talk on your speakerphone, all right? So, in some people, this is a matter of life and death now. Everything you do promotes cell growth or cell death, okay? There's no such thing as equilibrium in your body now. Cell death, cell growth. If you eat a donut, if you eat a high sugar donut, fried foods, okay, let's say you eat a donut. Your cells on a cellular level are going to react one way, saying this is good food or this is bad food. They're not going to say, oh, Marcus is only having one donut, so let's pretend we don't feel the effects of that donut, of that fried food. Let's pretend we don't feel the effects of it. No, your cells don't know the difference. We know moderation. Our minds are programmed. Oh, it's moderation. On a cellular level, your cells do not know the word moderation. They don't know the definition of moderation. So, folks, I've got to get back in the kitchen, but please come in for your free gloves. Please come in for your free gloves. I got to get back to the community meals. And for your beer fans out there, we got Equilibrium MC Squared, just came in stock, fresh batch. We are selling these. We only have a case. We got a super cool case of Threes Brewing, really awesome stuff. MC Squared back in stock right now for a limited time. Hard to get anything from Equilibrium. Well, they're doing a home delivery program right now where they're totally crushing it and delivering all over to several different counties for home delivery. A lot of distributors too are now delivering to houses. Battledore, Chef's Warehouse, two of the big distributors that we buy from, are actually now doing home delivery. So you at home can buy things. If you want something at home, we can save you money. We have the whole table set up here with everything from honey, pasta, canned tomatoes, wines, tequila, vodka, almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, organic unsweetened almond milk. A lot of the ingredients we have in our kitchen are for sale to you, what we have. So please take advantage of it. You come into the restaurant. Some people came in yesterday just to do shopping. They didn't want prepared foods at all. They just came in to do shopping. We have more salmon. More wild salmon is here. If you were to go online and buy the same wild salmon that we're selling you, it's $245 a case. It's $159.99 from us. We're here to save you money. We're here to help. We want high quality foods. We want to extend the same high quality foods to you at a fraction of the price or a discounted price so you can eat healthy at home. And our $9.99 meal or buy one, get one every night is designed. They're healthier meals. Tonight's teriyaki, Thai peanut is made with organic Thai peanut sauce. It's gluten-free. It's organic peanut in there. It is our hormone-free, antibiotic-free, free-range chicken, the same chicken we always use. Our organic brown rices. All of our ingredients are the same. Even the meals that are going out here now to the community, those community meals that are going to people that need meals right now in the community, those are the same high quality ingredients. I'm not buying cheaper chicken. I'm not buying cheaper ingredients. The bread they get is unbromated flour. Unbromated flour in the bread, no bromide. We don't use any bromated products here. There's dangers in bromated products, and it's all over bread and pastry products. So everything we're using for the community meals is the same exact ingredients. We're not cutting corners. It's our goal to serve high quality food at an affordable price. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. Patrice, thank you. I appreciate the comment. Everybody who's commented, thank you. If you are tuning in live right now, drop a comment, #live. If it's on the replay, #replay. Share this video in other groups so people can get free gloves and get educated and all those kinds of things. Drop it in other groups. I just post this in the Ellenville War Saying What to Do group. If you're a member of other groups like the Ellenville Restaurant Row, please post it in there. I'm not in that group. If you're in any other restaurant groups or anything, post and share this video there. Any community groups, especially moms groups. Moms groups would be great to share these videos in. Again, the other day we had somebody drive from New Paltz with a newborn home and said, I need gloves. Can I buy a box of gloves? We said, absolutely, of course you can. So, and we even have toilet paper. I hate to say it, but we have toilet paper. It's expensive right now. I have to drive to Secaucus, New Jersey to get toilet paper. The local distributors here don't have. If you're in Ellenville, Frisquito was supposed to get a delivery again yesterday. They could not get their, they did not get any toilet paper in there, so they were shorted again. If you go to Restaurant Depot in Newburgh, shelves have been empty. They're empty. Other distributors empty. I literally have to go to Secaucus, New Jersey. I have to drive to Secaucus, New Jersey. And at some points I can only get 1 to 2 cases at a time. I put a couple cases out the other day, smaller cases, and they were sold like that. So I apologize that toilet paper is expensive right now. That's probably the most expensive or overinflated thing we're selling, but it's hard to get. I can't get it. So it's one of those things what the market's bearing for it right now, unfortunately. So it's not too expensive. Somebody told me the other day they were paying $2 a roll for toilet paper. They're like, yeah, Marcus, it's $2 a roll. I'm like, ouch. Ours is $1.50 a roll. So it's 6 rolls, $9. And again, folks, I feel bad if that's that much money, but I have no control of that. And if I wasn't driving to Secaucus to get it, the little bit of toilet paper I had, I'd be holding on to it for myself, for the restaurant, but I'm able to go to Secaucus and pick this up and be able to have this as a resource to other people. So I apologize that it's that much money, because it should not be that much money at all. If anything, toilet paper's 75 cents a roll, a maximum. So that's the situation with that. All right, folks, I've got to go. I've got to get back in the kitchen and finish cooking. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later.